everyone, welcome back to Say Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on homecoming from the 1st to the 3rd of December 2025 on Monday. As Zenzo's health continues to improve, Sifiso grows more distant from Zethu, leaving her deeply unsure. Meanwhile, the clinic staff fight for their jobs as Spamandla's behavior spirals on Tuesday. Zethu succumbs to her family, to her feeling, and finally grabs what she believes belong to her. Nomfundo follows her beliefs, and Spamandla finds himself facing Sipindile's wrath on Wednesday. Sifiso and Zethu follows their heart, leaving fear behind. Sipindile realizes she is about to lose her son while Makumete is tempered by riches right in front of her. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.